Hello guys, so our bed frame and mattress got delivered today. As you can see here, this is the mattress. It's Silent Night king size mattress, and this is the bed frame. King size is made by Argos and it's silver. I don't know if you can see, but it's really heavy. Each box is like, this box here is like 35 kg, and this one, as you can see, is 23. The mattress itself is really heavy, like 35 kg. So yeah, later on I'll be, assembling this, and I'll be turning this into a bed. So yeah, that's what's coming up. Right guys, so I've started to assemble the bed. Basically what I'm gonna do, I got the room ready upstairs, cleared everything. The old bed is gone, the mattress is gone. Here with the room, and yeah, so it's all ready. Obviously these boxes are really heavy, so I won't be able to take them up the stairs. So what I've decided to do is I'm gonna unbox it here, and then I'm gonna take the small pieces upstairs. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, right, so this is the first one. Was delivered this morning. So, and as I not working, I thought might as well do it today. So yeah. Right, well, I'm just gonna do this, and once I unpack the boxes, I'll come back and update you. Okay guys, so the first box is unboxed, and I've took it upstairs. I'll show you later on in the video. Now I'm about to unbox the second, and I believe this is the headboard. So yeah, very tired as you can see. I definitely recommend 2 people doing this. Although my wife's helping me, obviously I couldn't get a friend or something to come and help me because of the virus. So I'm having to do most of it by myself, but my wife is helping me. So yeah, definitely 2 people recommended. Okay, right guys, so I've unboxed some of it. As you can see, this is the headboard. It looks really good quality. So I feel like money's spent on a good product. Yeah, all right, I better get on with it, and I'll update you in a bit. Right guys, so our job here is done. It's time to go upstairs and assemble this bed. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is our master bedroom. This is where we'll be setting up the bed. So this is the headboard. As you can see, very heavy. Right, so the headboard is there, and this is the foot end. Just show you there. So yeah, okay, well, so I'm just gonna get busy with assembling, and I'll keep you updated throughout the video. So yeah, see you in. Yeah, this is all the bits that comes with the bed. They actually labeled everything, which part goes where. I don't know if you can see, and also each screws are in the bags, and they're labeled with letters as well. So it shouldn't be too much of a hassle to put this together. Right, these goes on the headboard, 2 on the headboard on each side, and 2 on the foot end on each side. And these 2, the support, it goes in the middle, that sits in the middle of the bed, and I'll be showing you later on in the video. So yeah, I got my drill. I got everything I need here. So yeah, let's crack on with it. Right guys, I'll just quickly show you the progress. So yeah, we'll put all the sides together, the headboard, foot end, the two sides. So it's all coming along nicely. What's left to do is just the sluts there, and we'll put the feet already. Just do a close up, if you can have a look. I'll say 80% is completed, that 20% is left to do. Right guys, so I'll just quickly show you the progress so far. As you can see, it's all coming along nicely. Yep. The screws are in. So, yep. Right, so the middle support is now up. So that's how it looks so far. I'm taking a break, and my wife just made me some chana biran. So yeah, so this is my snack for when I'm assembling bed for her. So I'm gonna eat this and then crack on with the rest of it. Right, so I'll just show you how it looks now. Our bedroom with the new bed and everything. Oh, forgot to say, I've also put this mirror up to go with the new bed, and they're matching, mashallah. So this TV will be going up there very soon. So yeah, for now that's how it looks. Right, so now we'll be taking the mattress up and placing it on the new bed frame. Wish us luck, because it's really heavy. Okay, so we've managed to bring the mattress up. Just quickly show you. Still in wrapping, so we'll be taking that off. Right. And also I forgot to mention, I've also cut myself. Yes, I don't know if you can see, but look, I've managed to cut myself. But it's a minor cut, nothing to worry about. Right, okay. Right guys, so the mattress is in place, the bed is in place, and that's how it looks. I'll just give you a quick view of our room as well. Yeah, so and mirror. Alright, so this is the mattress, Silent Night, 800 pocket memory foam. As you can see here, it comes with 1 year warranty. And here we go. We bought it for $339.99 from Argos. The bed was $449.99, so altogether it cost us just under £800. And my wife will be putting the bed sheet and duvet covers on, so I'll make another video once that's done. But the bed assemble is complete. I'm very happy. The bed, my wife's happy, it matches with our room, it matches with the mirror. So yeah, thumbs up. Right guys, welcome back. Here we are. Right, there you go. The bed has been made. There's my Soha's bed. As you can see, I'll be moving that close to our bed. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you my sofa's bed as well. Our teddy bears, gives you a better view of how the bed looks now. There we go. So give us your feedback. What do you think? Ways we can improve our room. Yeah, so oh, by the way, definitely get one of these for your room. Smells really nice. Just yeah, gets the bad odor from your room. So there you go, guys. So this is how our room looks now. Like I said, the TV will be going up there soon. Alright, well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Please like, comment and share, and also give us your feedback. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Stay safe.